Okay. So I just found an easier way to do the second side where I just realized that since these brake pads they can slide all the way out through the back. You don't have to remove the caliper. So what I did was I drove the pins through just now, and I'm going to show you. Now this is compressed, right? So I actually had to take like my finger and push down on the spring in order to pull this pin out. All right. So I'm going to try to. How can I do that with one hand? Do that real quick. See how that moves up and down, and then let me take that out real quick. Okay, now. So that's out, and now the spring is trying to come up, see? So check this out. This is crazy. Then, instead of using pry bars, I found that this is really handy. I can use just some tongue and groove pliers, and literally, as I squeeze back on this, it just slowly compresses the piston. And so when I put the new one back in, what I'm going to do is I'm going to compress this. I'm going to have the new pads ready. And then I'm just gonna go fast before it starts to come back out, because the piston will try to come back out a little bit. And with these new pads, it's gonna be really tight, okay? So give that a shot instead and see if that's easier, since these pads slide right out through the backside. Bam, there they are, okay? Let's give that a shot too.